Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to practice our new set of words for our sight words. We are in our new set and we have just 2 words this week. And you're going to notice that they have the same middle vowel sound. And it's kind of a tricky one because it takes 2 letters to make this sound. And it's kind of a cheater. So you're not going to be able to look at these words and be able to figure them out, okay? You'll have to either know the vowel sound or you're going to have to take a picture of the word in your brain, okay, and remember it. So the first word that we're going to talk about is the word good, okay? Good. So if you are coming home from school, and the grown-ups in your house probably say, "Hi, Sally, did you have a good day?" Good. Or if you're eating something like you're eating some mint chocolate chip ice cream, and you're like, "Ooh, this is so good." Okay? All right, let's get to practicing. Are you ready? All right, so I'm going to take you through how to spell good. G-O-O D. Did you notice the special sound I was telling you about? G-O-O-D. Good. Now let's take a look at this. G-O-O-D. So those 2 O's actually make a couple of different sounds. In this word, it's kind of like you're getting punched in the tummy. D. Did you hear that? Good. Like you're getting like the wind knocked out of you, like something punches you in your brother is fighting with you and he punches you in the tummy. Good. Okay, so if you don't know what those 2 O's make, it's going to be kind of hard to sound out this word, right? So that's why it's good to learn those tricks, those tricky sounds, and to take a picture with your brain. Okay, so that was good. Now our next word has the same tummy punch sound. Are you ready? It is look. Okay, look. Look. Did you hear it? So if I were to use this in a sentence, will you help me look? Question mark, like you're trying to find something. I tell my kids that all the time. Can you help me look? So let's spell it together. L-O-O-K. Did you see those 2 O's? Ready? Let's do it again. L-O-O-K. All right, we're going to go back to the beginning because I wanted you to notice those 2 before we spelled them. So now let's spell them together. Are you ready? Let's spell good. I want you to say it out loud. G-O-O-D. Let's do it again. G-O-O-D. Now let's spell it. Good, or sorry, say it. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. Now let's do look. L-O-O-K. Look. One more time. L-O-O-K. Look. Okay, so now we're going to practice reading them, okay? I'm going to have the screen silent, and then you read the word, and then I will say it. That way you can check your work. Here we go. Good. Look. Good. Look. Good. Nice work. If you did a good job, pat yourself on the back, give yourself a high five. I knew you could do it.